Hey Rohit, it's been a long time. How are you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm good too. Let's have some tea.
Sure. The tea here is really famous.
So, how's your new job going?
It's going well. I'm learning a lot every day.
That's wonderful. Hard work always pays off. What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking of visiting my family.
Nice. Enjoy your time with them.
Thanks, buddy.
Cheers to friendship. It's such a beautiful evening.
Yes, sitting in a park makes me feel relaxed.
Life moves so fast these days, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Sometimes I feel we are always busy chasing something.
That's true. We work hard for success, but we should also enjoy life.
I couldn't agree more. Is just as important as success.
What is your biggest goal in life?
I want to build a successful career and make my parents proud.
That's a great goal. Mine is to achieve financial freedom and travel the world.
That sounds exciting.
I hope all your dreams come true.
Thank you, my friend. With patience and hard work, anything is possible.
Let's keep moving forward.
Deal! That's the spirit.